Hi everyone, it's Veronica, and I am here to share with you my Transformer planner. Several days ago, I shared with you all of the planners that I would be using for this year for a lifestyle change for me. And rather than carry around so many planners, there was a planner babe who came up with the idea of combining the planners, putting them on one ring, and it's called a Transformer planner. So I am going to share mine with you. This is the finished product. So we're going to go ahead and get started. All right. The cover that you're seeing is a cover that I found at Hobby Lobby when they had that last major sale. It was a pack of 3 covers for your Happy Planner, the classic size. So I took this cover because, first of all, I liked what it said. Secondly, it's in gold. And I wanted it to look different on the outside. So what I did was switched out those covers with the Supermom covers and used the insides of the Supermom planner for this particular cover. So what's happening here now is that I have 4 planners on here. I have Supermom, Miss Maker, Faith Warrior, and Healthy Hero. So let's look quickly at what I did, and I will include a link to the video that I followed to create this so that you can see how it was done in case you're wondering. All right, so this is the front cover, and this might shake a little bit, and this is the back. All right, so this is a set of extender rings. Now, what I have in here for each planner is 3 months. I may be taking that down to 2 months. We'll see, because I have some other additions that I want in there. Now, you can see here that I did start with Supermom, but this will be covered up with something else. And there's the yearly. And here you see, and this is the dashboard layout. So here's January, February, and March, and that will be for all 3. So that's the Supermom. And then what I did, you flip and you have Faith Warrior, which I'm sorry, I did not do that correctly. I did not flip correctly. This is Faith Warrior. Okay. So here, the same thing, and let me show you, you still get the yearly and all the dividers for the 3 months. Here's the monthly. And I know I shared these pages with you, but there was another section that I failed to share, and it was this part. Sorry for any shaking. I'm doing this at an odd angle, but that's the other portion of that. So I wanted to make sure you saw that. So then we flip again. And now I have Healthy Hero. As you can see, let's just look at the, all right, and this the spread for Healthy Hero. And then you flip again, and we get to, and I am so sorry for this shaking, y'all, but I have it laying down so that I can flip it correctly. We get to Miss Maker. All right. And that is Miss Maker. And I did keep any extras that were in here, and that's why I'm thinking I'm going to have to go down to 2 months instead, because, let me flip one more time so you can see that we are back to the beginning. Okay, so I think that's pretty cool, because this way I carry around 1 planner instead of 4. All right. And again, as I was saying, I'm going to probably take it down instead of 3 months to 2 months because of the accessories that I purchased. And I did tell you that I would share those with you. So let's start with Miss Maker, because I did take some of those out of the packaging so that you could see it a little closely. And most of them are basically the same. So here is the washi tape. You see here. Isn't that cute? Look at all those scissors. All right, I got the washi. These are the cutest little stickers. Maker's Rule. So many stickers, so little time. The craft room is calling with that telephone. That is adorable. Current mood, crafty. They are so cute. So I did get that one. And these are the pin loops. So you can switch it out. These are folders. They're adhesive folders. So here's, you just peel that off and stick it right on to put things in the pockets. There were half sheets. And see, this is one of the things that will be in there. So this is going to take up a little space. And I am going to tint her. All right. So this is just a pencil pouch or whatever you want to put in it. All right, and then these are some folders. Love it. That one's in color. And this one. Uh-oh, I left out some. Sorry. These are the others. And here are some of the dashboards. Been there, pinned that. And additional paper that can be used. Okay. So I went in, I did go in, and Miss Maker does have a sticker book. Here is her sticker book with 597 pieces. All right, so as I said, I took most of that out. So the other stuff is basically the same. This is Faith Warrior, the pin loops, the washi. Love that word, grace. Here are some of the folders. I'm sorry, the adhesive pockets. This is a little sticker pack, little sticky notes, and this just attaches into your planner. Additional study sheets, and this is an accessory pack. And on the back, it shows you all of the stuff in there. Okay. And then, ooh, y'all, don't judge, don't judge. This one is Healthy Hero. Here's the washi. These are some bookmarks, clips, progress, not perfection. Love it. Monthly tracker sheets. I'm serious, y'all. I got to make some changes. All right, here's a sticker pack. And these are inspirational cards. Okay. Here, dashboards. So now you can see why I was saying I was going to probably go down to 2 months instead of 3 to get some of this additional stuff in there, because I am going to use my stuff. Healthy Hero has a sticker book, and so does Faith Warrior. Okay. And Supermom, which is the one I changed the covers on. Didn't get much of that one because that's like my catch-all. So that's the washi that goes with that collection. Here's another pencil pouch, and she will be tinted as well. I have to decide on the canvas whether to use alcohol markers or color pencils. And I had a canvas here, and I kind of played with it a little. The pencils kind of leave more white when you color over it. So I think it's going to be the alcohol markers, and I hadn't used those in a minute, so I have to practice first. Okay. And here is the accessory pack. So that is my share for today. with my Transformer planner. Please check the description box if you'd like to know how this was done for the link to the tutorial that I followed. Thank you all for watching. Happy planning!